Welcome to civil engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ of pavement materials. So the first question, a soil is considered as a coarse grain if it retains more than dash in the sieve of 75 micron. Option A 90% of soil, option B 70% of soil, option C 50% of soil, option D 20% of soil. So the correct answer is option C 50% of soil. Next question, in soil classification, M stands for option A clay, option B silt, option C sand, option D gravel. So the correct answer is option B silt. So next question, in the soil classification, C stands for option A clay, option B silt, option C sand, option D gravel. So the correct answer is option A clay. So next question, in soil classification, S stands for option A clay, option B silt, option C sand, option D gravel. So the correct answer is option C sand. So next question, for most of cases in CBR test, when the CBR values decrease, penetration value will be option A decreases, option B increases, option C remains same, option D did not depends on it. So the correct answer is option B increases. So next question, in the CBR test, the CBR ratio is usually determined for the penetration value of option A 2.5 mm, option B 5 mm, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option C both A and B. So next question, in CBR test, the standard load value for 2.5 mm penetration is option A 1370 kg, option B 2055 kg, option C 2630 kg, option D 3180 kg. So the correct answer is option A 1370 kg. So next question, CBR test used in which type of pavement? Option A bituminous pavement, option B flexible pavement, option C asphalt pavement, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, in the CBR test, the standard load value for 5 mm penetration is option A 1370 kg, option B 2055 kg, option C 2630 kg, option D 3180 kg. So the correct answer is option B 2055 kg. So next question, Indian standard for CBR test on soil is option A IS 2720 part 12, option B IS 2720 part 14, option C IS 2720 part 16, option D IS 2720 part 18. So the correct answer is option C IS 2720 part 16. So next question, harder the surface, option A higher the CBR value, option B lower the CBR value, option C CBR value not affected, option D no relation. So the correct answer is option A higher the CBR value. So next question, California bearing ratio is a option A measure of soil strength, option B method of soil identification, option C measure to indicate the relative strength of paving materials, option D measure of shear strength under the lateral confinement. So the correct answer is measure to indicate the relative strength of paving materials. So next question, California bearing ratio test is penetration test meant for the evaluation of option A base strength of road and pavements, option B subgrade strength of roads and pavement, option C both A and B, option D none of this. So the correct answer is option B subgrade strength of roads and pavements. So next question, the CBR test can be conducted for option A subgrade soil, option B granular subbase material, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option C both A and B. So next question, result from CBR test are used with the empirical curves to determine option A thickness of pavement and its component layers, option B roughness of pavement and its component layers, option C durability of pavements and its component layers, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option A thickness of pavement and its component layers. So next question, in the soil classification, CU means option A coefficient of uniform, option B coefficient of unified, option C coefficient of unconfined, option D coefficient of uniformity. So the correct answer is option D coefficient of uniformity. So next question, in the classification of soil, plasticity chart is option A plasticity index versus liquid limit, option B plasticity limit with liquid limit, option C plasticity index versus liquidity index, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option A, plasticity index versus liquid limit. So next question, in CBR test, load is applied such that penetration rate is dash per minute. Option A, 1 mm per minute. Option B, 1.25 mm per minute. Option C, 2 mm per minute. Option D, 2.25 mm per minute. So the correct answer is option B, 1.25 mm per minute. So next question, the CBR test can be made in the laboratory on option A, undisturbed sample, option B, remolded sample, option C, undisturbed and remolded sample, option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, undisturbed and remolded sample. So next question, in a CBR test, the load corresponding to 2.5 mm and 5 mm penetration values are respectively 1208 kg and 1611 kg respectively. So the CBR value of soil is option A, 78.39%, option B, 88.17%, option C, 67.32%, option D, 54.78%. So the correct answer is option B, 88.17%. So next question, which of the following the tests are done on the soil for the construction of roads? Option A, box shear test, option B, CBR test, option C, plate bearing test, option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, in grain size analysis, soil texture is sand when the particle is option A, retained on 4.75 mm sieve, option B, passes 4.75 and retained in 0.075 mm, option C, passes 0.075 mm, option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, passes 4.75 mm and retained on 0.075 mm. So next question, the grain size analysis, the chart is option A, particle weight versus percentage of passing, option B, particle size versus weight of passing, option C, particle size versus percentage of passing, option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, particle size versus percentage passing. So next question, the highest CBR number is required for option A, pavement, option B, subgrade, option C, subbase, option D, base. So the correct answer is option B, subgrade. So next question, the bitumen surface becomes stiff in option A, summer, option B, winter, option C, rainy, option D, spring. So the correct answer is option B, winter. So next question, the shape test for aggregate is applicable up to or greater than the size of option A, 5.3 mm, option B, 6.3 mm, option C, 7.3 mm, option D, 8.3 mm. So the correct answer is option B, 6.3 mm. So next question, which are the desirable properties of soil? Option A, incompressibility, option B, permanency of strength, option C, stability, option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, relative compaction percentage of maximum lab dry density obtained by the Standard Proctor test as per IS 2720 part 7 for the embankment is option A, not less than 90%, option B, not less than 95%, option C, not less than 85%, option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, not less than 95%. So next question, the maximum lab dry unit weight that tested as per IS 2720 part 7 light compaction for the subgrade and earthen solder is option A, not less than 17.5 kN per meter cube, option B, not less than 19.5 kN per meter cube, option C, not less than 21.5 kN per meter cube, option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option A, not less than 17.5 kN per meter cube. So the next question, the ratio of the deviator stress by the recoverable strain called as option A, stiffness, option B, stress, option C, modulus of resilient, option D, strain. So the correct answer is option C, modulus of resilient. So next question, if the CBR value of subgrade soil is 4%, then the value of modulus of resilient would be in megapascal, option A, 36, option B, 32, option C, 44, option D, 40. So the correct answer is option D, 40. Again we will see in next video. Thank you.